Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Solana right now as of today, July the 27th, 2023, and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price of Solana today, you can see it's currently sitting at $24.89. We're down about 1.7% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $10 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume consisting of 497.6 million. So one thing that I want to point out to you guys is that, Solana has once again gone down to that top 10th spot. We know over the past few days, we've been seeing a battle between Cardano and Solana really play out to really see who takes that top 8th spot. But as of now, we're seeing Solana sitting at that top 10th spot in the cryptocurrency market ranking. And that is something I want you guys to keep in mind. But remember, one thing we could say is Solana did have a better run before Cardano. So these are some factors that people need to consider when we are looking at it. Dogecoin did take the spot on the top 8th, obviously because of the rebranding of Twitter. People speculating that there could be a potential linkage with Twitter and Dogecoin, and obviously that is bringing in excitement for Doge. But let's take a look at what's happening with Solana right now. So if we're looking at the entire markets, like I said, not much going on. We're seeing quite a bit of red across the board because Bitcoin has seen once again a little bit of a retest. But if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, $24.90. But I want to share this news with you guys, which is quite exciting. Swissborg came out and announced this just 9 hours ago. It says, great news, USDC on Solana is now available on the Swissborg app, ensuring faster transfers and access to Solana's dynamic ecosystem. As always, at Swissborg, we're committed to enhancing your crypto journey and user experience. Quite interesting to say the least. And also this right here, you guys can see Solana Floor posted this, and this is something I wanted to share with you guys. It says, Solana has the third highest revenue from all major layer ones. As we know, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Polygon, and Phantom are layer ones. And you can see Solana has a highest revenue compared to the other three. Obviously, BNB Smart Chain, Binance linkage, Ethereum being the biggest one, but Solana is making these headlines, and it is almost double compared to Polygon's revenue, which is quite interesting right now to see. But now let's take a look at what's happening with the price. But before we get into the price, as always, guys, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, man, Solana is looking insanely bullish right now. Now, you may be saying, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? Let me tell you guys exactly what I mean. So, obviously, we are aware that we saw the price of Solana break out of this long consolidation phase. We've retested this resistance countless of times throughout the year of 2023, but finally July was the month where we broke out of there. We saw the price go up to $32.30. But look where the price of Solana has retested all the way down to. That level of support at $22.67, which again is another huge level of resistance that was coming in our way. So what does this tell us? You may be saying, what does this tell us? This is telling us that, those previous times where, we were having some hard time breaking towards the upside, those times are now coming in favor for Solana. You can see this for yourself. We literally touched that support line and saw a bounce. You can't make this up. This just happened yesterday. You can see this for yourself as well. If you picked up some SOL around this support line at $22.67, you are up right now about 10% in a matter of a single day. So that really shows that these support lines are playing out for us, and it also shows as we were going towards the upside, there were strong levels of resistance, and I'm sure a lot of people can see this. But the most important thing I want a lot of people to understand is this. from the June 10th lows at $12.87, you're still up 95%. I know there's going to be tons of comments coming in right now saying, oh, crypto ZX, Solana is not even moving. What are you talking about? Let's open, our, charts up and see for ourselves how far Solana has come in just a matter of a month. And we need to realize that there will be times where consolidations will happen. But this time around, what we're seeing happen, let me bring out the hourly time frame. So what we're seeing happen is, of course, like I said, we retested that support line, literally right on that neckline, touched that support, seen a bounce, and now we are trying to retest once again around this $26.95 mark. We were just there about 7 days ago. Last week we were above that, but this time around I think if the volume is on our side, we could see Solana pushing up towards that and once again reclaiming above that level of resistance. So things are looking not bad at all in terms of the Solana's price action. I want that to be quite clear, and I'm sure a lot of people do understand it from this angle now that we see it from just the June 10th lows. It's holding really strong around that range, and it is doing what we would expect Solana to be doing after seeing a massive rally of look at it. We saw a rally of 153%, guys, 153%. So a little bit of a retracement is very much needed before we do see continuous upside. BTC, on the other hand, as mentioned earlier, is not making up its mind. Bitcoin has been hanging back and forth around this range, haven't yet retested the support line at $28,700 mark as of now, but that could potentially be the case. And if we lose that support line, $27,000 of Bitcoin is on the table. What really is exciting though is, of course, Bitcoin dominance still remaining below 50%, which is really exciting and really shows why we are seeing such a massive spike in altcoin interest. You could see this for yourself. This spike is what we needed. We had to see this happen, and you can see this for yourself on the hourly time frame, that massive drop just on June 10th. And this is all thanks to XRP, literally all thanks to XRP as to why we've seen the Bitcoin dominance fall, and that's really brought in a lot of interest once again into altcoins. So very exciting things are happening right now within the crypto space. But I want to hear from you guys on your personal thoughts. What are your thoughts on this entire situation, and what are you doing right now with Solana? Like I said, once we break out of this level of resistance and if the volume is on our side, I could see Solana hitting a new yearly high. $40 is that next price target, and I can see that happening sooner than a lot of people do realize. But like I said, I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. Where do you see Solana layer 1 ranking compared to the other layer 1s this upcoming bull cycle and its peak? And could you see Solana hitting, a 4-digit Solana at the peak of the bull market? Let me know in the comment section. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing these updates every other day for you guys. Sometimes it's really hard, but your motivation and your support kind of gets me going, because I am quite busy throughout the day, but I still make my time out to get some updates out for my viewers. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.